Hello, Hunters Lane class of 2021. This is Miss Jordan. I am the Advised Tennessee College Advisor at Hunters Lane High School. And I am going to take you through the process of completing your Tennessee Promise application. So the first thing you need to do is go to a search engine, whether it's Google or wherever, and you choose, you type in TSAC, T-S-A-C portal. That's T-S-A-C portal, as I've done here. From there, this will pop up. And you can just usually click on the first one, TSAC student portal, as long as it says tn.gov. So I click there. And then this page will come up. This is the College Pays TN page. So from here, it says TSAC student portal. You can read this information, which gives you just a little bit more info about what you'll need when you complete the Tennessee Promise application. You'll need your first and last name as it appears on your Social Security card. You'll need your Social Security number as it appears on your Social Security card. You'll need your date of birth, and you'll need your email address. And so instead of clicking sign in, because we haven't created a portal before, we're going to click register. Now we are here. Don't mind that. So you don't have a username or login yet, or password rather. So you're going to click on create a login. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to make up some things to create one so that you guys can kind of see how it's done. Hopefully, maybe you can fix it where on your computer, you have this screen up on the side, and on the other side of your computer, you pull up the application for yourself. Then that way, maybe you can fill out your own as you watch my video as I fill out one. So let's see. I'm going to choose for my username, Jordan 2020. Hopefully no one has that. Yes, if someone has it, it'll pop up and it'll say that it's already in use. Okay, my name is Lisa, the middle initial A, last name Jordan. And my social, I'm going to make up a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure I'm writing down what I'm using, because that would not be, oh, you know what? Someone used that before, because I tried this a bit ago. So I'm going to change my Social Security number to 111223333. Let me write that down. Make sure you write down your username and your password. Okay, next we're going to go to email address. And I am going to put my real email address. It's lisa.amanda.jordan@tn.gov. And then they want me to re-enter it. So I will re-enter it here. Next, they want my phone number. My phone number, let's see, here we go, 615-669-9619. Password. Now your password cannot have your username, your first name, or your last name. So I am going to choose Hunters with a capital H 2020. Capital Hunters 2020. Now let me write that down. Make sure I have that. And is that it? Oh, I knew I missed something. My date of birth. I'm going to choose January the 1st, 2000. Here we go. January 1st, 2000. All right. Now we're going to go to security questions. Choose something. In my opinion, I think it's great to choose something that you know it's not going to change. Sometimes when we choose something, it could change over the years. And so when you go back to come to this site, you're like, I don't remember what it was back then because it's changed. So I am going to choose my oldest cousin. My oldest cousin, his name is Patrick. That's right. Let's choose my first job. My first job was actually at a university, and I'm just going to put the initials SFAU, Stephen F. Austin, State University. There we go. SFA SU, because it can't be three, it has to be more than 3 letters. So keep that in mind when you're choosing a security question. Make sure the answer has more than 3 letters in it. Okay, last one. Let's see. First pet's name. Here we go. His name was Homie, Hommie. And here you just choose a picture that kind of makes you smile. For me, the globe will always make me smile. Then you say yes to the terms and conditions. You say fingers crossed that everything is okay, and then you click create my account. And someone else already is using the social security number that I'm using. So let me come up with another one. Let's go with, here we go. Obviously you won't have this issue, but I did because I'm making up one. 223-33-4444. Let's try that. And whenever you have to go back to fix something, you have to put your password in again. So I said Hunter 2020. Actually Hunters. Now let's see, fingers crossed again. OMG, someone already is using the username. Okay, so I'm going to change it to L Jordan. Geez, here we go. And just be patient because this can happen to you. So just be patient. We did HUNTERS 2020. HUNTERS 2020. Finally, let's do this. I changed that to L Jordan. There we go. Fingers crossed one last time. Yay, we created our account. I don't want to save it, I'm okay. So once you get to this part, this means you have created your TSAC student portal. This part was so important because at the end of the school year, if you're going to get, say, the Hope Scholarship, it's going to be in that student portal that we just created. If you are going to get the TSAA grant, that will be in the student portal, as well as Tennessee Promise later will show up in this portal. So now we're going to actually apply for the scholarship. And let's click this button right here. And remember, well, you don't have to remember, but my username was LJRDN 2020. And my password was HUNTERS Hunters 2020. Fingers crossed. What did I do wrong? Password, here we go again, capital HUNTERS 2020. I think that's it. All right, so once you get in there, it's going to ask you a question just to make sure it's you, security question. What was your oldest cousin's name? It was Patrick. Patrick. And you can click this if you're on your personal computer, but if you're not, I would not click. Continue. And yes, this was the globe that I chose. Continue. Go down to the bottom and you choose accept. Now we're going to complete the application. So click on apply in the top left corner. And then we go down to Tennessee Promise Scholarship Award 2021 to 2022, because even though we're in 2020 now, when you actually use the scholarship, it will be for next fall, which will be the 2021-2022 college season. Do not choose Reconnect. Choose Tennessee Promise Scholarship. Reconnect is for adults. From here, you click agree that you certify that the information you provided in this application will be true. And here we go. So it puts some of my information in there. This is the day that I'm applying. This is my name. I can put my middle initial. Why not? And then my address is, I was going to put the Hunters Lane address, and I don't know it, so I'm going to make up an address. 1520 Hunters Lane, because I don't remember it by heart. Nashville, Tennessee, 37207. And the county is Davidson County. My cell is the same as my home. I'm going to put that there. We have my date of birth. I am a female. I am a no response. That's not true. But I don't, oh, there, Black. And here's my email again to confirm. tn.gov. Parents' name, it's required. That is amazing. So make sure you have your parents' email. What is it? They're going to want their email and phone number. So then I put in my parents' email. I am going to make up a name, Rose, and last name Jordan, and parent guardian phone number 615-555-5555, and required, I am going to put my email address here again, and hopefully it will let me do that. But please put your parents' email address in here, because this will help you out so much. What happens is when you get a reminder from Tennessee Promise, they will also get a reminder from Tennessee Promise. And so that way you and your parents are working as a team to make sure that you don't miss any deadlines for keeping your scholarship. Let's see. Oh, it says I am unable right here. For me, I'm going to do that just in case it won't take my email address twice. So here, please select an eligible institution from the drop-down box. Most of you right now will choose one of the community colleges or TCAT. Community colleges like Ball State, Nashville State, or schools like the TCAT schools. Those are the technical, our state technical schools, which have like building construction, welding, cosmetology, practical nursing, dental assisting, great programs there as well. Keep in mind, you can change this as the school year goes on, but to start, most students for Tennessee Promise purposes will choose one of these, because for the Tennessee Promise scholarship, you can only use it at a TCAT school, a community college, and some college and universities will allow it, but keep in mind that it will not take care of the 100% of your tuition and fees in most situations. So I am going to choose the closest one, in my opinion, to Hunters Lane, and that is Nashville State Community College. Once you all get through this year, you'll be going through a high school. Your graduation date is from Hunters Lane. Where is it? Hunters Lane. There you are. That's your school. Your graduation date. I am making up a date. Do not hold this. Don't hold me to this. I'm going to say May 20th, 2021. Oh, goodness. 2001. Oh, hello. 2021. Pardon me. Sorry about that. All right, and then continue, and we are just about finished. From here, you click done, and you have applied for the Tennessee Promise Scholarship for the 2021-2022 school year. Please, please, please reach out to me if you have any questions. You will have my email address and my phone number as this month goes on, or as the school year goes on for that matter. But my email address is Lisa, Lisa, .Amanda, AMANDA, .Jordan, JORDAN, @tn.gov. Okay, thank you guys so much, and have a great, great, great day applying for a Tennessee Promise.